now I look cool. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica, and for today's video I'm bringing you a Missguided try on haul. I have a lot of beautiful pieces back here and I'm gonna try them on and give you guys my opinion on them. Some were gifted, some I bought it myself. So if you want to see me trying some Missguided pieces, make sure you keep on watching. So the first one is of course this one. This is a shirt dress. Let me go back so you guys can see. This is like a shirt dress from Missguided. It has some really cool detailing on the sides and it's really like pretty. Let me show you guys the back and the front. It's really pretty. I really like it. It feels like really Rihanna style. She uses a lot of like this style. And they did send me some shoes. They sent me these heels. They are so pretty and they will go perfectly on this outfit. I'm just gonna like try them on and show you guys. It makes me feel real bougie. I love the fishnets. I love the whole feel, and of course pairing it with some golds make it look even more bougie. I really love it. You can make it tighter on the sides and it's not see-through at all. So next thing I'm going to be trying are these joggers and also this mesh top. Bodysuit is so pretty. I love the color. I love the print of it. It's so pretty. I love this one so much. And these joggers together, I feel like the colors go really well, so I'm gonna go and try them on. How pretty is this top? I'm obsessed. It's so gorgeous, and the joggers are so pretty as well. I love them. I love the colors together. I didn't have any joggers in this color, so I'm obsessed with them, and I love these together with some sneakers. This is just vibes. Even with the gold necklace, it looks cute. I have like a nude top underneath because I have like a white bra and it looked crazy, it looked ugly, so I went and got a nude top and put it underneath and it looks so much better like this. And of course you can use this with some jeans, with some cycling shorts, with some like black jeans, or even like with joggers like this. The joggers are really comfortable. I do feel really comfortable with them. They are like high rise, which I love, but you can take them down, but I love having them up like these. So next thing I'm going to be trying is this fake leather jacket. I really wanted like a biker jacket like this, and this one is really pretty. It was like affordable for a jacket like this. It was really affordable and it was on sale, so love it. I like Missguided. They have really good quality stuff, and this jacket is one. And I also got this one. This is an oversized denim jacket. I love denim. I really like it. I love that it's oversized. I feel so cute. I love the color. It's like a medium light wash, which I love, and smells new. Next thing we have a oversized t-shirt. I can never get enough of oversized t-shirts, and this one, Los Angeles. I love like the neon kind of theme of it, and it's so pretty, so I'm gonna try it on. Oh yeah, it looks cool with this. I love with these underneath because the colors go well together, and with these looks really cool. I really love this style. This looks really cool, and again, this is so versatile. You can have it like this with some joggers, and these underneath you can have it with some black jeans, normal jeans, just like these, because this is so long you can use it as a dress, and with some fishnets underneath with some black high boots. It'll look really cool, and yeah, I really like it. Okay, now I look cool. So next I got this beautiful black bodysuit. I love like basic things like these. This is something that you will wear with everything, and you will wear a lot. It's something that you will go for a lot. It's black, it's simple, but it's beautiful. And I love Missguided because they have a lot of these like basic tops for a good price, but for a really good quality. Other places they have these tops, but they are not as good quality as Missguided. Missguided, they do have really good quality, and that's why I love them. Next thing I got is this shirt dress. So this is a shirt dress, but you can wear it like this, like with the black top and jeans. You can use it like clothes and as a shirt dress, and I love the color. It's a really like basic thing to have as well, and I really wanted something basic, and this is like really cool. So you can use this with the black belt and some high heels as a dress, and this goes well with everything as well because of the color and because how simple it is. And then the last thing we have is this dress. I love it. It's so pretty. It's like a mid maxi dress and it's super stretchy, it's shiny. You can use it on a date, you can use it on a meeting, you can use it to go shopping. It's very stretchy and really comfortable to wear, so I really like it, and I think this might be one of my favorite things from today. Thank you so much, Missguided, for sending me some of these clothing pieces. I love Missguided. Make sure you go check them out down below. And that's it. I've tried everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did so, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and follow me on social media if you haven't already. Comment down below if there's any other brand you would like to see me doing a try on haul on, and that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.